Hey everyone, need to share your location quickly on your iPhone? Whether you're meeting a friend or letting family know where you are, I've got 3 easy ways to do it. Let's jump in. This won't take more than 2 minutes. First up, messages. Open a chat, tap on the person's name at the top, and then tap share my location. Choose to share your location for an hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. Easy, right? Next, the Find My app. Super useful if you're sharing with your family or close friends. Open the app, tap on share my location, select a contact and send. You can even stop sharing whenever you want. Google Maps user, no worries, I got you. Tap your profile picture, go to location sharing, select who to share with and for how long. Done. And that's it. Now you can share your location with just a few taps. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.